Lesson 10. Sets. A set in Python is an unordered collection of objects used in situations where membership and uniqueness in the set are main things you need to know about that object. You can create a set by using set on a sequence, like a list. When a sequence is made into a set, duplicates are removed. After creating a set using the set function, you can use add and remove to change these elements in the set. The in keyword is used to check for membership of an object in a set. You can also use pipe char to get the union or combination of two sets, and char to get their intersection, and hat char to find their symmetric difference, that is, elements that are in one set or the other but not both. You can use to get new set with elements in X but not in Y, or with Y without the elements occurring in X. Because sets aren't immutable and hashable, they can't belong to other sets. To remedy that situation, there is another set type, frozen set, which is just like a set but can be changed after creation. Because frozen sets are immutable and hashable, they can be members of other sets. This is the end of lesson 10. We invite you to watch the next one, which will be about dictionaries.